Presenting a pre-owned 2014 Mazda 3 Grand Touring. This 4-door hatchback has a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mazda has less than 166,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 27 miles per gallon in the city, and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, wireless data link, and window defogger.